grandmother. I can wait for hours. When I come there, her on, they're like, what's this? I say, my auntie.
Auntie who?
Monique did it.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I know you guys I've been MIA for a little while, but I'm back and I'm ready to slay. You guys, before we start this video, let's give this video a thumbs up. I'm back. And don't forget to make sure y'all guys subscribe and comment below. I want to first start off by saying I've been reading your comments that you guys been leaving, and if I haven't gotten back to you, I'm so sorry. I will try to answer everybody's questions in this post today. If I forget, please feel free to leave me a comment on Instagram or send me the questions over on Instagram, and I will answer them like in the Q&A, I guess. Go over and follow me on my business page at Designs by NYC, and just spam me, whatever y'all gotta do. Send the messages to my inbox, because for some reason I wasn't getting you guys I wasn't getting a notification that you guys was leaving me messages. I had to actually go underneath the videos and see that I was being left messages. So my apologies for that, you guys. But like I said, I'm back, you guys, and I'm ready to slay. If you guys want to know what I've been up to, go over and follow me on my personal YouTube channel at Bae's Way. I'll leave that link in the description box. So yeah, you guys, like let's talk a little bit. Okay, while I was going, I did order a lot of items. Like, I have so much stuff, you guys, and I wasn't able to get around to either show you or make anything. I did make some things like recently, but they got sold out like quick, fast, in a hurry. I also was able to put some of the stuff up on my website. Unfortunately, my shipment that was supposed to come in during the time that I took my break, I actually canceled it. You guys, it was crazy. A lot was going on at that time, so I wasn't able to, you know, do everything that I wanted to do. But I'm back, like I said, of this pandemic and everything going on. I want to try to hurry up and, you know, get these orders placed so I can have everything on the website that y'all been asking for. But I do have some things up there. I will be making some DIY kits. Hopefully, I want to say hopefully this week I'll probably put up like 5 kits that you guys will be able to purchase. And I will have the cell phone cases, God willing, because of everything that's going on with the shipments and everything, you guys. Like, oh my gosh. When I tell y'all my last order that I just ordered, it took forever to get here. It's crazy, you guys. So please bear with me when it comes to my next shipment. And that is for like the hard plastic cell phone cases. So in the meantime, between time, I'll put up what I have. And then once I do get my bulk shipment, I will definitely upload it to the website. Y'all might hear Nappy in the background because y'all know he always next to me. And Manaya is actually in class as well. So you might hear her popping in and out of class. But like I said, you guys, I got some goodies, and I just wanted to show y'all a couple of the pieces that I work with when I make my cell phone cases. A lot of you guys probably asked me, what are these pieces? These pieces are called planners, you guys. You can find these anywhere: Etsy, Instagram, Amazon, eBay, AliExpress, Alibaba, anywhere you can find these things, because everybody's using these nowadays. Okay, so these are called planners, you guys. So it's not a specific person that I go with. I go with a lot of different people. I show love everywhere. Okay, now that I am going to be a supplier, I have these as well, you guys. So go check me out on my website. But these are called planners, okay? So all you got to type in planner, DIY, phone kits, and everything will pop up. When it comes to the cell phone cases, what type of cell phone cases do I use? If you notice, these cell phone cases do not bend, okay? So you want to make sure you get hard plastic. I think it's hard plastic, transparent cell phone cases. Or you can type in clear and just type in the make and the model, and then it'll pop up. Remember, hard plastic. You want a hard plastic background, because that soft plastic, it'll wind up slipping off in a matter of time. And these cases right here are the new 12 iPhone 12 cases that I'm about to like bling out in a little while. Probably not today, but hopefully eventually. I got a lot of work to do. I got a lot of catching up to do, you guys. These pieces right here are called laser cut pieces. You guys, I will soon have these as well, and I'll be taking custom orders as well. So these are called laser cut pieces. So anytime you want to, I'm gonna just take this off so you can see how it looks. So it's like a paper that is like stuck to it, and then you just peel off the paper on each side, because it's paper on the side as well, and you just pull the paper off. Make sure that you glue it on the case the right side up, and just be sure not to get too much glue on it, because you will be able to see the glue like in between. And I tend to fill in between the letters with rhinestone. This is definitely a hard task when you're dealing with material like this. But I normally don't peel off the plastic on the top until I'm complete, if you notice in my videos, until I complete the case, because that's just something that I love to do. But on the back, as you can see, there's also some plastic or paper film on the back, so you want to make sure you peel that off before you glue. And again, these are called laser cut pieces, okay? Everyone sell these. Be on the look for these as well, because your girl will be taking custom orders and all of that good stuff. These are also laser cut pieces, and all these are as well laser cut pieces. Laser cut, all of these are laser cut pieces. Let me show you what an alloy piece look like, or like a charm piece. These are the other pieces that I like to use, pieces like this. And I also, oops, let me see if I could, pieces like this. So, and then pieces like this, you guys, that I also have up on a website that I use for my cell phone cases. So this is like a charm piece. A lot of people, when I say we use everything, you guys, like we use everything. I mean, from buttons to whatever we can glue, we use, okay? And that's just how we make banging cell phone cases. So these are actually charm pieces. I normally will cut this off with a little plier and just cut that off, and then attach it to the cell phone case. Make sure I apply a lot of glue, because y'all know I do not want my stuff to fall off. So I apply a lot of glue on the back, or normally put something underneath it, because you know it's going to be like downward. So put something underneath it to keep it at a good angle. And then, yep, attach it to the cell phone cases. So these are called either alloy charms or charms alloy pieces. And you can find these also everywhere. Alibaba, AliExpress, Instagram, Etsy. Yes, you can find these everywhere. Just type in those keywords, you guys, and you will find them, God willing. Okay? Yeah, and that's about it. And I use, y'all know I use my rhinestones and my pearls and all of that good stuff. So, yeah, you guys, I just wanted to stop in real quick and let you guys know where I've been and what I've been up to. And God willing, in the next, I want to say I should have some cases done by the end of this week. So I will have some videos coming up for you guys. But like I said, you guys, go over and follow me on my personal channel, Bays Way, BAYYS WAYY, and you will know what's been going on with your girl, okay? And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Designs by MYC. I'll leave all the links in the description below, you guys, so y'all all so it won't be hard for y'all to find. And also, like I said, give this video a thumbs up, and thank you guys for all your support. I love y'all comments. Whatever y'all need, just holler at a sister, okay? I'm not shy to share information. Like I said, feel free to inbox me on my Instagram, and I'll get back to your questions. And maybe one day I'll do a Q&A, and I'll be able to answer everyone's questions. I'll have more links. I'll also be able to do like little promotional shout outs soon and all of that good stuff. So yeah, you guys, see y'all in the next video. I got some bangers coming for y'all, so make sure y'all got them post notifications turned on. Until the next video, bye bye.